We are now joined by an attendee of today's High Tech Campus Open Day, Paul. Paul, tell us a bit about yourself. What brought you here today?
Well, it's mainly my parents. They work here at High Tech.
Uh-huh.
At the same time, I'm also here at the Technical University of Eindhoven. And I heard that there are a lot of startups here, innovative companies, Philips and XP and so forth. So just understanding or wanting to know how is the industry moving, what are the different innovations, that was quite interesting.
And I think there's a specific reason why you're interested in the startup landscape. Can you tell us more about that?
Yeah, so me myself, I'm Paul Varghese, and I'm a founder of AskFinz. AskFinz aims to be the cheapest solution to LLMs.
That's AskFinz, ask and then Fin with a Z. AskFinz, like what fish have.
Yeah,
right?
like a shark, right?
Okay.
So you ask the shark.
Nice. If I want a straight answer, I'm also going to ask a shark. To the point, right?
Well, we're swimming with
Just
sharks.
keep your distance.
And what does AskFinz do?
Yeah, so we have around 3 to 4 products that we're working on, each at a different stage of development. We have our own agentic browser, so an AI browser. Imagine you're a company or you want to do research, but you don't want to spend the time searching for information. You can use our own browser. It does the whole navigation, the product queries, the e-commerce, the billing, everything for you. And that information can come on to our cloud-based solution. We have around 30 different cloud-based solutions, each catering to an industry. If you don't have an industry, reach out. We'll have it also in the works. So for example, this summer I'll be going to Paris.
Okay.
So we have a travel agent. And recently I told the travel agent, this is my budget. Find me a place that I can go to for the summer. So through AskFinz, the travel agent has told me these are the best price tickets, these are the best accommodations, these are the best activities to do, up till my insurance and even the car rental service I could go for. So it has booked it all for me. I'm just going to close my eyes and go on a trip.
Yeah, so literally it has engaged with, let's say, hotels and car rental companies on your behalf.
Yeah.
That sounds risky to me, Paul.
Oh, yes. So
how do you keep us safe?
we always have the human in the loop. Let's say it's banking or finance. You don't want to do those kinds of decisions yet with an AI. But at the same time, an AI helps us in making informed decisions. So we do everything up till the end, which is the execution. Same thing goes for emailing. You can use our agents to read emails, write emails, do your whole project planning, business queries, and so forth, up till the execution. You can automate that also if you want to go totally hands-off. But that's where we also have auditing, compliance, and all those things come into play.
So you're going up against OpenAI, Anthropic, Google.
Well,
all with vastly more resources, I assume, and that is an assumption. What's the actual competitive advantage you're betting on?
well, also the name, right? We're swimming with sharks.
Yes.
But no, the competitive advantage mainly has to do with price. You've read some crazy stories recently about how people use AI and the next day they just come to find out they have a massive bill to pay. That's not the case here. We're quite transparent on where our data is stored. We don't train on your data. You can train your own models on your own data. That's possible with us. So transparency is key, but pricing is key, right? So many cases we see that you pay a monthly fee and you're hit with a usage cap or usage limit or something or the other. Here, our starting plan is just $7 per month. Unlimited usage of access to the models we support. So you can use it for anything you want. We don't check, we don't care. But that's the service we provide.
And how is it because you are smaller, maybe not as greedy, that you can keep it cheaper, or
Well, the thing is, we don't have that upfront development cost of training models, right? Many of these players, like Anthropic and OpenAI and all, they spend so much money towards making these models, and then these models are the top, the top 10 or the best ranked for a couple of time until a new one comes in play, and then it's dethroned. So we don't have that model making business. We are rather a provider of workspaces. We make
Okay.
agentic workspaces,
Right.
and we connect to all of these models. So that's also another selling point. If you're using Google, you use one model. If you use us, you use multiple.
So is that where AI that earns its keep comes from?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. There are
Tell
a lot
us
of
more.
slogans.
Tell us more about that.
Well, we hope to achieve an experience where you can use it at such a inexpensive rate that you can use it for anything. Currently, if I'm writing a mail and if I have to use Anthropic's models, it's going to be very expensive for me to write an email, or I'll be spending quite a bit. Instead, if I can use my solution called AskFinz, the cost is so insignificant. That's how we are pricing it, that you would use it for your writing your mail, checking your news stats, so forth. So we want AI to be accessible and not expensive.
Yeah. And if if AskFin succeeds in exactly what you wanted to do, what would someone's workday look like in 5 years' time?
Yeah. So we have some people who are already trying it. They come to the day, they sit on their office, they open their mailbox, and we have our agents that look through the day, look through what's coming up, look through what's coming up in the week, plan it all for them, know who they're going to talk to, check prior conversations which they had, so already, prepare the person for the upcoming meeting.
Yeah.
Let's say an incident comes, there's a bug or there's an unexpected event. Our project management tools can take over. They make an incident out of it. We have our own coding agents. So if the incident needs to be coded, they can be coded, they can be bug tested, they can be deployed. So we have some people that are hands-on at various stages of the approach, but we also have, for example, me. I tend to be a bit more trustworthy towards AI, so I let my day take over by AI, and it's kind of an experiment also.
I can imagine that. Paul, thank you so much. I'm going to hand over to Ralu, who also has a question.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I was just curious then, where are we left, humans? What are we decide on our day?
No,
Tricky question.
The fun things, Ralu. The fun things.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, not everything.
But if AI doesn't allow me to put the fun things in my agenda,
Well, move away from your agenda, Ralu. Move offline.
so I just handle it everything over, and I'm just gonna go and have a holiday booked
Yes.
by.
Yeah, I mean,
Sounds good.
if you look at the landscape, so I think it's 2 years since it's been in the open market so prominent that AI is there in every single workspace. Before that, these were things we used to do ourselves. So it's not that we are replacing work activities, it's more like we are reducing the time. Why do you want to spend time for looking through meeting notes or scheduling or organizing your mailbox?
Yeah, the tasks that can be automated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
For example.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us, Paul. We're glad that you came up and said hi to us. If
Yeah.
anyone else listening to us right now wants to do the same, you're welcome. We're here for another 45 minutes in High Tech Campus Building 37. Thanks again, Paul, and check out AskFinz. That's AskFinz with a Z at the end.
Yeah,
All the
.com.
best. All the best to you.
Thank
All the
you.
best.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
the rest
Thank
of
you,
the time
guys.
in High Tech Campus.
Same. Bye-bye.